A very good morning, dear children. Children, today we are going to do a new exercise in our maths copy. And the exercise name is write before, after, between numbers in between 1 to 100. Fine? So children, take out your notebook and your stationery like an eraser, a ruler, a blue marker pencil and your pencil also. I hope you all have taken out these things. So let's start our work. Firstly, you have to write down date here in this corner. Afterward, you can write down the heading of today's work. And today's heading is write before, after, between numbers. In between 1 to 100, you have to write in this bracket. And after writing the heading, you will underline it. Fine. So we'll start our work. Write down A dot and put an arrow and then write down 2929 and put a comma in a separate block. Okay. After this comma, a sleeping line here under these two blocks, and afterward put a comma and write 31 full stop. So children, in between 29 and 31, which number will come? What will be the between number here? Yes, 30. Fine. Okay. Now write B dot an arrow. Draw a sleeping line here and put a comma. Then write 6060. Then again put a comma and leave blank space in two blocks. Fine. And then full stop. So tell me children, what number will come before 60 and after 60? Before 60, 59 will come. Okay. And after 60, what number will come? Yes, 61. Fine. Okay. Now, after leaving one block, again write C dot and put an arrow. Then write 4040 and put a comma. Then draw a sleeping line in these two blocks. Then put a comma and then write 42 and put a full stop in next block. So tell me children, what will be the between number of 40 and 42? 41 will come here. Okay. Now, after leaving one block, write D dot, put an arrow and draw a sleeping line in these two blocks, then put a comma, then again draw a sleeping line and put a comma, then write 70 and put a full stop. Now children, tell me what number will come before 70? Yes, before 70, 69 will come here. Okay. And what number will come before 69? Yes, 68. Fine. Come to the next row. Write E dot and put an arrow. Then write 88, then a comma in a separate box. Then draw a sleeping line in these two blocks. Then put a comma and draw a sleeping line again. Next two box, put a full stop next to that. Okay. Now children, what number will come after 88? Yes, 89 will come. And what will be the next number? What number will come after 89? Yes, 90. Write F dot and put an arrow, then draw a sleeping line in these two blocks and comma, then write 11, then put a comma and draw a sleeping line in these two blocks and put a full stop. Okay children. Now tell me what number will come before 11 and after 11. Yes, before 11, 10 will come and after 11, 1, 2, 12 will come. Is it easy now? I think you have learned all the numbers till now, 1 to 100. Come to the next row, children. Write G dot, put an arrow, then write 98, put a comma, draw a sleeping line, then again comma, then write 100 100 and put a full stop next to that number. Now tell me, children, what number will come in between 98 and 100? What will be the between number of 98 and 100? Yes, 99. Fine. So children, we have completed this exercise, and you will also complete this exercise in this way very neatly in your notebooks. Thank you. Bye-bye.